How to find past streams on Twitch. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can find past streams on Twitch. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is head over to your Twitch account. We'll head over to twitch.com and make sure that you log in into your account. Now head over to your profile or channel. Simply tap on this icon and head over to channel here. And after you're on channel, head over to videos. After you're on videos, under filter, simply choose past broadcasts. Now, if you have saved your past broadcasts or you have saved your broadcasts, they should be available right here. If they are not, this is what you do. You will need to head over to your settings, head over to creator dashboard first, tap on creator dashboard, and after you're on dashboard, head over to settings on the left hand side and tap on stream. After you do that, scroll down and there you will see store past broadcast option. By default, it can be off, so simply turn this on and now you should be able to find all of your broadcast, or you should be able to find the broadcast that you do now, and yeah, in the future they will be available in this video section. And that is all for today's video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye.